Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix Epic Games Keeps Crashing. Alright, so let's begin with the video. If you're experiencing crashes, freezing, or the launcher not opening properly, don't worry. I'll walk you through a few simple methods that can help resolve the problem. First, you want to make sure there are no unnecessary applications running in the background. Go down to the bottom right corner of your taskbar where you'll see icons for apps currently running. Right-click on each app that you don't need and choose Exit. Sometimes background applications can cause compatibility conflicts with the Epic Games Launcher, leading to crashes. Once that's done, open the Start menu on your computer and click on Settings. From the left-hand menu, click on Install All, then select Windows Update, then click on Check for Updates. Make sure your system is running the latest version of Windows, as outdated system files can often cause Epic Games to crash or behave unexpectedly. If updates are available, install them and restart your PC if required. After updating Windows, open the Start menu again and search for Epic Games Launcher. Right-click on it and select Open File Location. In the folder that opens, right-click on the Epic Games Launcher shortcut again and choose Open File Location one more time. Now, right-click on the Epic Games Launcher application file, click Properties, and go to the Compatibility tab. Here, check the box that says Run this program as an administrator. Click Apply, then OK, and try launching Epic Games again to see if the issue is resolved. If the launcher is still crashing, right-click on it again, go back to Properties, and open the Compatibility tab. This time, check Disable Full Screen Optimizations, and also enable Run this program in compatibility mode. After selecting these options, click Apply and then OK. Now, try launching the Epic Games Launcher again by right-clicking on it and selecting Run as Administrator. In most cases, these steps should fix the crashing issue and allow the launcher to run smoothly. And that's it. So that's basically how you can fix Epic Games Keeps Crashing. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.